Mag-ano pala siya, sir? Pag in-stop mo.
Number 7.
Ay, siya
Number 10.
Hindi siya pwede mag-post.
Number 6.
Walang
Posting at number 8. Nice move. Fires? Yes. Very nice move for number 8, Kevin Durant. Time remaining, 11 minutes. 11 minutes na lang. 20 na lang. Number 6. To number 8. Oh! He loses it.
Zoom. Discover ko.
Jerry.
Eh, ginamit mo na
Slicer. Oh, mabatik move by Jerry. Jerry again. Oh, wala pa rin. But the part 2 is there.
Pag i-NRT Marlon, may binabagayan niya.
Number 6 now.
Ito ba siya ni Marlon?
15 to shoot. Team manager. 10 to shoot. Alvin rebound. Alvin, diretso mo na yan, pare. Diretso mo na, yan. O, di ba? Wala. Number 12. Block, back foul, and a basket. For number 12. Foul, committed the number 6. Stop. Aglanaw. Aglanaw. Aglanaw ba? Aglanaw. Okay na, number 19 na lang. 88 to 73 score in favor of Bob Durain. 2 free bonus shot for number 12. And he got the end one.
Marlon, haras!
Score 88 to 74. Balik 14. Exactly 10 minutes to play.
Oo nga. Kung makapagsalita ka, alam mo bang.
Number 6 now. Harassing by number 19. Pass to number 10, Kamada. Kamada closing over. 15 to shoot. Number 8. Pass to Kamada. Nice pass. He fires, but he's fouled by number. Foul committed to number 12. Penalty left.
Oo. Nag-matured.
Second na lang, number 12.
Pinagandaan ko to.
First shot for Kamada, no good. Second shot. The manager wants the second shot. And he makes it for him. Good. Tomorrow he can go to one.
Yan, sir. Nabisgot mo, sir.
Good ball, good ball. Number 19. Pass to Jerry Giano, the part 2. Pass to number 12. Patented shot. Kaya nga ni Kapay. Number 12, almost stolen it. Number 14, yes!
Yes, coach!
Foul! And a basket. Foul committed to number 12 again. Score, 89 to 76. 91 pala. Bonus shot. It's good. Number 12. Oops. Almost stolen by Kamada. Score 92 to 76.
Good luck sa'yo, Marlon.
Ulog! Ulog!
Kamada is in the floor.
Kung nakakuha yun, ah.
Ulog!
Time out.
Wala, sinuntok mo! Stop, Marlon, baka paway ka dyan.
That's not
Marlon,
unintentional foul. Coach. Or team manager rather.
Sinuntok siya doon sa ulo.
Oh, labas yan, Marlon.
Nilamdaman.
Okay, Kamada. Are you okay, my friend? Okay. You just messed it up. I know it.
Mamaya, dadagdag. Bigay mo yung bola!
Bigay mo.
Jerry, kaya ano now? Jerry. It's away. Ayun, Jerry. So number 6. Number 6 ang pamate. Lays it up. Trying smooth. Number 41, Jerry Giano part 2. To Jerry Giano part 1. Jerry Giano part 1. Making his move. Passes to number 19. Number 19 doesn't get it. Time remaining 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Come on, mouse now. Kamada to number 14. Mr. Ali. Pass to number, stolen by number 41.
Takbo, baba!
What are you doing? Oh! Time by number 8 again. Mr.
Kuha sana yun. Maganda yun, Sep. Ha? Nakuha na mo yun?
Marami pa. Nakuha na ko.
Number 12 first, no good. Di ba may number 8? Number 8, tataktak na naman yan. Pass to number 14. Their team manager, Mr. Ali, fires a 3, and it's good again. Jerry Gliano. He wants it. He breaks it. Oh. 97. 76. 78. 78 kayo nilagay mo.
Shoot ulit. Ano ba ito si Marlon?
Nakita si Marlon.
Disgrasya.
What happened?
Oh, tayo na Marlon.
Lumabas ka dyan.
Number 19.
Nakakadalawa.
Hoy, ang kanaw.
Hoy, lumabas ka na dito. Nakakadalawa ka ng pao.
Okay, labas.
Number 19. Number 19. Out, out, out.
Hoy, Lon, labas ka muna.
Hoy, number 19, out!
Number 19. Pare.
Out. Leche. Papatayin mo mga players sa kabila.
Hindi na tayo makakaulit.
Ang naman, mapepera yung mga. Dito ka.
Oras na, sir.
Ano ba yung laro mo?
7, 41.
Pa.
Kamada. Fires.
Wala na, patayin ka yung uniform nyo.
Number 12. Number 41. Jerry Gliano part 2. Number 41. Nice pass to number... Oy. Aray ko. Ang sabi. Foul, ref. Who's foul? Number 6. Number 6. Number 6, 5 fouls. Sorry, my friend, but you can't play anymore.
Sino, sir?
Sino graduate? Graduate number 6.
Number 6, you're out of the game, pare. 5 personal foul. Number 6.
Wala silang play.
Okay. Wala na grabbing. Wala naman diploma. 3. 28. Alvin. Ayos na, pare. Jerry. Makes his move. Slides to the middle. Yes! Nice move by Jerry Gliano. Part 1.
Tama sa ano.
Kamada now. To number 14, their team manager. Pass to number 10. Intercepted by number 12. Bullet pass for number 13. But
Ouch.
number 8 steals the ball.
Pangkuha sa ebidensya.
Exactly 7 minutes to play. Number 8 to number 7. Takes a jump shot. No good. Rebound for number 41. Jerry Gliano part 2. Number 14 now. To number 41. Pass to number 14 again. And he's fouled. That's what
Pwede
they
kang
call.
kuha ang
Sabi
ebidensya.
nga ni Mr. Foul na number 7.
Extra.
That shot is... First shot for number 14. He makes it. Score. 97 to 81. Mr. Alvin. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Uy! Mr. Gliano. Fakes. And he's fouled. Foul coming to the number 7. First shot for Mr. Antonio Banderas. It's good. Isang pakyut naman dyan, Mr. Antonio Banderas. Andy. Next time. Second shot for Jerry. He makes it again. 2 for 2 for Jerry Gliano. Number 6 now. Almost graduating. Buti na lang, walang diploma. At wala siyang handa. Number 7. Pass to number 10. Kamada. To number 8. Oh, intercepted by number 12. Number 41, Quijano. Oh, jacket again by number 8. Quijano. Oh,
Wala pa rin.
nasampal. Nasampal si Jerry. Number 6. Oh, bad pass. Okay. Number 41 to number 14. Nice move. Nice. Oh! Ang gulang-gulang no, number 14.
Kita-kita ba?
Talagang baon na.
Number 6
Matalim yun.
to number 7. Pass to the team manager. He fires a 3. Again, no good. Rebound by number 14. Ang pinakamagulang na tao sa mundo. Ayun na naman. Number 14.
Pasa mo na!
Bantay na number 8. Ayun. Take ng ma-double dribble. Oops! Walang tawag. Number 14. Team manager. No good. To number 41, Quijano. Quijano. Nice pass. No good.
Finger roll pa naman.
Number 10. Nice pass. Number 14. Wala. Ibang by number 41. To number 14. Ang pinakamagulang na tao sa mundo. Sub. The man with the orange shoes. Out. Time remaining. Exactly 5 minutes to play.
Anong score?
Anong score sa rep?
Score. 97 to 83. 85.
Kasi dito yun, hinaharaka mo, ikaw nagko-crossover.
Amada. Intercepted by number 28, Alvin. Si Jerry Quijano. Jerry Quijano. Hindi nakita yung tao. Jerry. Nice pass to number 14. He makes it. Number 8 fires. No. Oh. Stop. Number 13. Score. 97 to 87. 10 lang, mga kaibigan. 10-point lead for Bob Buraim, number 17, David. Pinasa kay number 28. Exactly 4 minutes to play. Jerry Quijano takes a 3 now. Dito for number 14. Pinakamagulang.
Alright!
Pumasa ka 8. Only an 8-point lead for Bob Buraim. Now pass. Go.
Model. Ito ka ni Pastor.
Number 8 to number 10, Kamada. To number 13, he takes a jumper. No good. Rebound for number 14. Number 14, Kubambona. Pass to number 41, Quijano. Quijano. Nice pass. And he's fouled. Sub. Who's sub? Who will be subbing? Number 13, foul. Okay. 2 free throws for number 17.
6 score pa yan.
It's no good.
Hoy! Shot ka!
Score. 97 to 89.
Palit na yan?
9. 89. Oh, 8-point lead. Shot again for number 17. I'm remaining exactly 3 minutes to play. Last 3 minutes. Number 8 to number 6.
Ito na lang, oh.
Intercepted by number 14.
Kaya mo yan din.
Number 14. Number 6 control. Number 14 again. To number... Oh, intercepted by number 11. One-on-one situation. Number 11, nice move. But he misses. Rebound control by number 41. To number 41. To number 17. Number 17. The beat. Yes! And...
Anim na lang.
a 6-point lead. I'm remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2:30. Score 97 to 91. Anim na lang. Number 13. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. He shoots.
Walo
na lang.
Score 99 to 91. 8-point lead. Keanu. Keanu. Ay, malayo daw.
Ayun daw.
Time remaining. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Mr. Keanu. Ano ba? Ha? Ayaw mo na? Love pass. Oh, he almost makes it. Pass to number 41, Keanu. Nice set. Voila. That's what they call practicing to die.
Wala pa rin.
Time remaining. Exactly 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Sub. 14.
Miss ka namin din.
Time out down.
Fidel. Miss ka na. Palit ka na. Tubig. Hindi ito rin siya nakatago sa bag.
Kaya na natin yan.
Yes, napaka-positive naman. Congratulations.
Think positive.
Okay. 2 minutes remaining for last and final quarter.
Pumasok ka ulit si coach, si manager, hindi na.
Coach to coach. Sir.
2 free throws for Mr. Jerry Keanu. First shot. Yes. Basak ito.
Grabe pag.
92 to
Parang
99.
manalo pa ako. Kamura ng pag-asa.
Second shot for Mr. Jerry Keanu na hindi pantay ang medyas. Wala. Iba by number 11 to number 8. Kevin Durant.
Harap!
They are playing man-to-man D now. Number 13.
Taas!
15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Kirol, angat!
5.
Baba!
Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1:30.
Ano? Saan ang anong buwati? May
Keanu,
taxi ba dyan
pass to
na
number 7 to the beat.
Sa mismong ano, yung...
Sa labas? Di ba sa bungad?
What you
Well,
gonna
sa
do?
bungad.
What you gonna do? It's a camp for you.
Delikado, Midel.
Jack, to number 7. Wala.
Sayang.
10 to shoot, Mr. Keanu. 5 seconds.
Di ba?
Scores. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. $15 to shoot. Wala. Iba by number 41. 48 seconds. 48. And one. Time remaining 42. Foul committed on number 10.
Pag na-shot, isa na lang sa rep. Pag na-shot,
96 to 99. Only a 3-point game. Sub-ref. 42 seconds, 4-2. 42 seconds
Kaya pa
remaining.
yan.
3-point lead.
Palbay kayo.
Oh,
Kayo.
Bonus shot for number 41. Jerry Keanu, part 1.
extra. O, tingnan na ito bukas ha, para
Bonus shot, it's good. Okay. 2-point lead only.
Depensa!
35 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Kaya pa yan.
Bigat!
Oh, bisa mo, hindi maka...
10 seconds. 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11 seconds. 10 seconds, rather. 10 seconds to shoot.
Yay!
Penalty. Ref. Sabdol.
Stahin sila.
Maksudnya talaga hanggang sa huling sandali.
Middle seconds na lang yan. Huwag ka na pumasok.
Only 10 seconds after seconds.
Baka maka 3 points.
First shot is good. More to top.
Sayang.
Bumalik sa 5. 10 seconds.
O, 6.
And he makes the move. 10 seconds.
10,
9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the end of the ball game, our score. Hindi na bahala.
Tulungan ko na naman.
Sayang yung sayang. Sa gilid. Cross yan.
Masyado malalim.
Sayang, pre.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. May kamay kasi. Sa dig.
Wala bang hug?
Aba, sobra naman yun.
Nagkalapi lahat.